Hello, my name is Joshua, and today we're going to show you how to take a distribution or take a required minimum distribution as well. So when you first log in, you're going to see a page similar to this. And what you want to do is you want to scroll until you see a box that says Quick Links. And within this Quick Links box, there are different transactions that you can perform. So we want to click on Take Distribution. And once we're here, you want to specify the account that you want to take the distribution from. And here you can specify a full distribution, which will distribute everything that is in the account, and it will close the account. And there will be a $250 termination fee to close the account. But if you are taking an RMD, you just want to go ahead and click on Partial Distribution. Then scroll down, you want to specify whether you want to do an in-kind distribution or cash. In-kind just simply means you're changing the percentage of ownership of that asset to being you personally. So just for example, if an asset is in your IRA and you want to distribute 10% of that asset, you can do that and it would be considered an in-kind distribution. So you personally would own 10% of that asset and the other 90% would be owned by the IRA. But for now, we're going to go ahead and click on cash only. You want to click on save and continue. All right, and then you want to continue the process here. Distribution type. An RMD is categorized as a normal distribution. So you just want to click on normal distribution. You want to type in the RMD amount. And you do not need to add the $sign. So you can just enter the numbers. No commas either, just the numbers. All right, and then you want to select the tax withholdings. One thing to know about the state withholding, we can only withhold for California, no other states. Here is just the payee name, which it just should be your own information, name and address. Here we can go ahead and specify whether we want a wire sent, ACH, check, or cashier's check. A wire is $30, ACH is free, check is $10, and cashier is $30. So for here, we are just going to go ahead and click on check. And the telephone number, you can enter your phone number there. And here you can opt for regular or overnight. So we're just going to go ahead and regular. Payment of interest fees. This is just asking about the wire fee if you select wire or check or cashier's check. But you will have to select one of the options, even if you do ACH, which is free. It's just something in our system. You have to just select it to bypass that part. So we're going to go ahead and click on interest account. Special delivery instructions, that's if there are any special delivery instructions. If not, you can leave it blank. You just want to click on save and continue. All right, and then here we have a review and submit page. So these are just the terms and conditions below, and you want to click here, just confirming you have agreed, and click submit, and there we go. When the status of the distribution is in manager review, that means you have successfully submitted it, and it'll be reviewed by the distributions department and then processed. Right now, it is about 5 to 7 business days for the review process. And if you want to look into the details in case you wanted to confirm something, an amount or the address, you can click View Details and it will show you all the information you entered. Now, if you do want to take a look at it, starting from the Dashboard tab, you can actually see it. If you log in, you just want to click on the Activity tab. And in this tab, you're going to see all the different transactions that you've submitted in the online portal. So here are the categories of funding. So that's if you're submitting a transfer or a rollover or a contribution. Investment if you're submitting an investment request. So what we want to look for is a distribution. So we just want to keep scrolling down and click on one-time distributions and then scroll down on this page. And then here we go. We have all the pending distributions that we've submitted. And so this one is the one that we've submitted just now. All right. And that's how you submit a distribution request.